What keeps you awake at night? Is it cancer? In Belgium alone, approximately 200 people get diagnosed with cancer every day. It's a before and after kind of moment. The ground falls out from underneath your feet. Besides the emotional and physical effects on patients and their loved ones, it is well known that cancer also poses a significant economic burden on society. One reason for the therapies to be so expensive is the high attrition rate during drug development. Many hurdles have to be crossed before a drug gets approved to come on the market. Biotechnology has major applications in the fight against cancer, which starts with fundamental research. It is by unraveling the underlying mechanisms of diseases that new potential drug targets can be discovered. Next, drug development can start, and many phases need to be completed to ensure minimal side effects and maximal efficacy. Unfortunately, lots of potential drugs are unable to complete all of the phases and thus never reach the market. This means that the sales of the drugs that are successful need to make up for all the resources used for those that weren't. In the case of cancer, as many people know, the puzzle is very complicated. On the molecular level, cancer develops due to certain mutations in our DNA. Every day, thousands of those mutations occur, but most are repaired. In case some of those mutations are missed, the cell could start to grow independently and acquire ways to evade our immune system. This could lead to the uncontrollable growth of a cell mass, a tumor. Many different mutations, different combinations of mutations in different types of cells can occur, resulting in more than 100 types of cancer, making it very difficult to treat. Our body has a natural way of protecting ourselves against diseases. A complex system of cells works together to form the immune system. In general, our immune system is pretty amazing. It can be precise, quick, explosive, and it can get stronger. However, in the fight against cancer, it needs a little extra help. This extra help is what immunotherapy tries to provide. While the generally used chemotherapy and radiation target fast-growing cells, immunotherapy tries to strengthen our own immune system to fight the cancer cells. Signs of danger are communicated to T cells. T cells are important fighters of the immune system, which can lead an attack via a receptor-antigen interaction. The receptor is present on the surface of the T cell, while the antigen is a molecule against which an immune response can be triggered. They interact like a lock and a key to initiate a response. These T cells are important players in different types of immunotherapy that are being developed. Among others, there are checkpoint inhibitors. Naturally, a checkpoint is present that can act as a brake on the activity of T cells to keep them from overreacting. Cancer cells often hijack this natural system, causing them to be immune against a T cell attack. By administering checkpoint inhibitors, the brake on the T cells is released, which enables them to attack the cancer cells. Secondly, there is CAR T cell therapy. Here, T cells are isolated from a patient and engineered with a receptor. This receptor causes them to specifically recognize and attack the cancer cells when brought back into the patient. Due to the many mutations that cancer cells accumulate, antigens are produced that are only present on cancer cells and not on healthy cells. These can then be used in a cancer vaccine to stimulate the immune system to specifically attack the cancer cells that carry that tumor antigen. These therapies are very promising, but optimization is still required. Due to the extra stimulation of the immune system, some sense of control is lost, resulting in allergic and inflammatory side effects. Furthermore, some patients respond spectacularly, while others don't. Therefore, the work is not done, and researchers keep going. As a biotechnologist in education, I hope to one day make a difference, with hard work, perseverance, and determination. Cancer. It keeps me awake at night, but it keeps me going throughout the day.